Hello again. Here's question 10 from the 2014 exam. We have to find the equation of the tangent to the curve that lot at the point x equals 1. Okay, we're going to find the gradient of this curve at that point. We're going to find the point that we're actually dealing with when x equals 1. We'll need the y value, and then we'll use, when we've got both of those things, we'll use the point gradient formula. So let's start off with the gradient. Okay. The gradient we find by differentiating our equation. So the gradient is dy by dx, and that equals, to differentiate a log to base e, you get 1 over whatever it's dealing with, so it's 1 over all of that that's in the brackets, squared plus 3, all multiplied by the derivative of whatever in the brackets, which in this case will be 2x. So I'll just write that a bit neater. That will be 2x over x squared plus 3. That is the gradient. If x equals 1, this place we're dealing with, then the gradient is, well, we just put in 1 instead of the x, and we get 2 times 1, which is 2, over 1 squared, which is 1 plus 3, which is 2 over 4, which is a half. So the gradient at that point is a half. We don't know what the point is itself yet, because we've only got x equals 1, so I also now need the point that we're dealing with. So to find the point, we've got x equals 1 and y equals, well, we will have to put in x equals 1, we'll get log to the base e of 1 squared, which is 1 plus 3, which makes 4. So we've got the point 1 log to the base e of 4. And now we use the point gradient formula, because we've got the gradient, we've got the point. Here the point gradient formula is y minus y1, so m into x minus x1. We just put the numbers in. So from that we get y minus y1. Well, this is our x1 and our y1. We have y minus log to the base e of 4 equals m, which is the gradient. In this case that's a half. That's because the gradient of the tangent is the same as the gradient of the curve at that point. Half into x minus x1, which is 1. And we just have to rearrange that lot to make it look right. I will add log to the base e 4 to both sides, so we get y equals, therefore y equals, and I'll also expand this bracket out at the same time, so a half times x is a half x, half times negative 1 is negative a half, plus log to the base e of 4. And that's, you can't simplify that anymore, so I'll just leave that. I should write somewhere equation of tangent is, sorry, I probably should have said at the beginning, when you find the gradient of a curve, that is the same as the gradient of the tangent at that point. Okay, that's that.